How does a CANDU reactor differ from other types of reactors? Well, it's a pressurized water reactor, and that's what a large number of those in the United States are. But the United States also uses boiling water reactors. And what that means is a pressurized water reactor doesn't have a phase change of the water as it goes through the reactor. With a boiling water reactor, the water actually boils as it goes through the reactor, and both of which end up making steam to turn a turbine, to turn a dynamo and make electricity. The biggest difference with the CANDU is that they don't use the actual water for the moderation. The moderation is the process of slowing down the neutrons so that they have a much higher probability of fission of the uranium-235. The uranium-235 probability of fission drastically increases, basically logarithmically increases with decreasing energy, so that when the neutron gets to a lower energy, it's much more likely to give rise to a fission and so contribute to the chain reaction. What the CANDU reactors do is that they use heavy water. So it's hydrogen that actually has an extra neutron in it. So normal hydrogen, light hydrogen, is just a proton with an electron around it. The CANDU reactors use deuterium or deuterated water, which means that the hydrogens are replaced with deuterium. So basically hydrogens with an extra neutron on there. And what that makes the reactor do is that it has a much better neutron economy. The regular hydrogen in a normal light water reactor, like a PWR or BWR, that hydrogen, it's actually a light or a small neutron poison. The hydrogen will absorb a neutron and take it out of the neutron economy. But once that hydrogen has absorbed the neutron, it's no longer able to absorb another one easily. If it did, it would become tritium, which is radioactive. And so the process of reducing the poison property of water allows a CANDU reactor to actually go critical with natural uranium. Now, it's more economical to use enriched uranium because, it lasts a lot longer. But the bottom line is that they have these sleeves, effectively, of heavy water or the deuterated water, which do the bulk of the moderation, so that the coolant is still using light water, but the moderation is dominated by the heavy water. So that's kind of the big difference. The other one is that they're able to do online refueling. The reactor is horizontal, and so they're able to push their bundles in while taking bundles out in such a way that the reactor is going continual rather than having to shut the whole thing down to refuel. They're refueling online. So those are the big differences. There are a lot of other subtle things, but those are the big ones. So thanks for the question. I hope you like the answer. Have a good day. Bye.